Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back and thanks for joining me today, and a special thank you to my new subscribers. I see each and every one of you guys are coming in, and thank you so much. So I'm back with another video, another DIY video. You guys know I love my DIYs, yes. And on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I lighten my underarm during the summer or all year round, whatever you prefer. So we're just going to be needing 3 ingredients for this treatment. So we're going to be needing turmeric, toothpaste and lemon. So let's go over the benefit of each ingredient. Turmeric contains bioactive compounds with powerful medicinal properties. It is the most natural remedy used to lighten dark skin and get rid of dark spots effectively without any side effect. Toothpaste, on the other hand, contains ingredients such as baking soda, which is an exfoliating active ingredient that removes dead skin cells and stimulates the regeneration of new skin cells, making the skin look younger and brightened up at the same time. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and citric acid, so it can help brighten and lighten your skin when used over time. So these ingredients are the perfect combination for any problem area you may be having that you want to lighten up. So it may be, in my case, my underarm, it may be the back of your neck, it may be your elbow, it may be your knees, it may be your face, wherever you feel you have, hyperpigmentation or dark spots, which is something very common between us black women. This is the perfect mixture for you. Of course, this is not a miracle remedy, an overnight remedy. This is something you have to be consistent with for you to actually see results. I did mine at least for 3 weeks to actually see results. So of course, if the darker the area, the more you want to do it to see result, but eventually it does work on the long run. It's just about being consistent with it and you definitely see results. So after thoroughly applying the mixture to my armpit, I wait for it to dry for about 30 minutes ish, and then I just hop in the shower and wash that out, and yeah, then you can see the result. The result is clear. You can see there is a difference. You can see the difference. Like I said, it does take time for you to actually see the difference, for you to actually see results. But on long run it does work. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe and comment down below what you think, if you've used this mixture before. And yes, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.